Maybe you've heard of regenerative injection therapy and wondering, what is regenerative injection therapy? And is there any science as to how this might work? Hi, I'm Dr. Scott Stoll at the MaxWell Clinic. And in this next section, I'd like to help walk you through the science of regenerative injection therapy. It's actually very exciting to understand that there's a possibility and an opportunity to assist your body in healing sports injuries, arthritis, damaged tissue, chronic inflammation, and get you back to the field of life. But first, before we jump in on regenerative injection therapy, I want to tell you about our philosophy here at MaxWell Clinic. We really believe that the body is an integrated, whole healing system. And so when we target an area with regenerative injection therapy, we're also looking at you as a whole from the ground up, understanding first how the body has adapted to this injury. Oftentimes when you have an injury, the body compensates. It shifts one direction or the other to take weight off of that injured tissue. The body also causes muscles to shut down as a protective mechanism, so we get weakness and atrophy in certain muscles. And then we get tightness in the opposite side because the body is protecting that area like a splint. And so when you've had a chronic injury, it's not just the single joint that's been injured or inflamed or is painful. The entire body has shifted to compensate for this injury. And so it's very important, and it's always a part of our evaluation here when we look at someone for regenerative injection therapy, to understand how the body has been impacted by this injury. And so we work to treat the body as a whole. That would include things like physical therapy, working on soft tissue, mobility to stretch those areas that are tight, sometimes helping the muscles to relax that have been tight for years in a protective mechanism, and then strengthening muscles that are weak, that are part of the protection and assist in healing the body. Hippocrates said that healing is not just a matter of time, but also opportunity. Regenerative injection therapy is that opportunity to heal, but we're also providing the body with a greater opportunity to heal by addressing some of the underlying imbalances that naturally occur from an injury. We also like to look for the root cause. And so if there is a chronic arthritic joint, it's not this joint has just aged and because of aging, it's inflamed. Usually there's an underlying cause that needs to be addressed. The cause could be, for example, I saw a patient that had chronic knee pain, and the underlying cause was an ankle injury 10 years ago that was never fully treated. Some chronic pain in the ankle and tightness led the body to shift and overload the knee, causing knee inflammation. And so we can't just treat the knee and expect that it's going to get better without also addressing the ankle. And so this is part of the whole body treatment, whole body perspective and philosophy that we take here at MaxWell Clinic when we're addressing these musculoskeletal conditions. This is root cause. And oftentimes medicine today is not looking for root cause. They're looking to treat the most relevant pain point. And that can be done through NSAIDs, anti-inflammatory medications. We take lots of anti-inflammatory medications to deal with inflammation, but they have long-term consequences. Not only the risk of ulcers, but they also disrupt the microbiome, and the microbiome is very important in your immune system's health. And your immune system is important not only for fighting infections, but for addressing, healing, and reducing inflammation. Medicine also uses cortisone. Cortisone is injected as a very potent anti-inflammatory, and a cortisone injection in an inflamed joint like a knee can dramatically improve pain almost overnight. However, cortisone injections damage cartilage, they injure the cells that build cartilage, and can contribute to progression of that degenerative joint over time. Cortisone also has a system-wide effect, and repeated cortisones can disrupt hormones, they can disrupt your microbiome, they can cause a wide range of system issues if they're repeated over time. And so again, it's not an effective treatment because it's not addressing the root cause. And even surgery, while some surgery is necessary and beneficial, some surgeries are only addressing part of the problem without addressing the comprehensive approach. And so that's why our philosophy is extremely effective here at MaxWell Clinic. We're treating the body as a whole and then working to identify the root cause and then providing every opportunity, including through lifestyle, body alignment, and regenerative injection therapy, to assist the body in healing itself so that you can get back to your high quality of life. At the MaxWell Clinic, we utilize 3 different types of regenerative injections. The first is Prolotherapy, which has been used for decades. It's a very safe, effective treatment. It's a combination of dextrose, which is sugar, and lidocaine, injected onto the ligaments, and it's really the attachment of the ligaments on the bone. It's very effective for ligament injuries such as slip and falls, whiplash injuries, chronic degeneration where the ligaments are a little bit loose or lax. And so the therapy is essentially injecting down onto those sites, and the dextrose creates a small local area of inflammation. Now, oftentimes people hear the word inflammation and we think inflammation is bad. But in reality, our body creates inflammation because it's the first step in healing. If I were to step off a curb and twist my ankle, for example, my ankle swells up because my body is bringing in all of the repair mechanisms to repair the damaged tissue that happened because I twisted my ankle. So we're just creating that kind of a localized inflammatory response at the site of the ligament that needs to be treated. Once that injection is placed there, the body begins to create inflammation, and that inflammation sets off a cascade of healing. First, it brings in cells that chew up damaged tissue. The next step is it recruits cells and growth factors that begin repairing and laying down new tissue, and that happens actually over the course of 3 months. Your body pays attention to that area and repairs and regenerates it over the course of 3 months. So over the course of the next 3 months, those ligaments get tighter, stronger, and the areas of damage are healed, and so a lot of pain and local inflammation is resolved. Also, any instability in the joint that might have been present is resolved, and so the instability is also a potential source of inflammation and pain, and once there's stability, the pain also goes away. So prolotherapy is a very safe, very effective treatment that again is just utilizing your body's own healing mechanisms to pay attention to those ligaments that have been damaged. The next type of regenerative injection that we like to use here at MaxWell Clinic is PRP, or Platelet-Rich Plasma. This was first discovered in the 1990s, utilized by dentists for gum repair. In the late 1990s, early 2000s, it was used by cardiovascular surgeons for sternotomies for bypass surgery. And then in the early 2000s, orthopedic medicine started utilizing PRP as a primary treatment for damaged tendons, ligaments, and muscles. And PRP is essentially just taking some of your own blood, centrifuging that down, and removing red blood cells and white blood cells. So we're left with the platelet-rich plasma portion. That portion contains a lot of active growth factors that stimulate healing in the body. We can take that small portion of platelet-rich plasma, and then under ultrasound, we can inject the damaged tendon, ligament, or muscle in the body. And again, this just brings full attention to the body to heal that damaged tissue. And then over the next month, your body begins laying down new tissue and accelerating healing. PRP is used by Olympic athletes, professional athletes all around the world today. It's a very safe, effective treatment. There are thousands of studies that have demonstrated the effectiveness of PRP. However, I will mention that PRP needs to be done also in a comprehensive treatment plan that doesn't just address the underlying problem, but the surrounding tissue. And so PRP needs to be utilized in association with a really good physical therapy plan to help restore some of the damaged tissue and muscle loss that might have occurred from that injury. And then finally, one of the more exciting regenerative injection therapies that we like to utilize here at MaxWell Clinic are structured tissue products. Now, these are products that contain cell signaling molecules that robustly attract our own stem cells to the area to heal. These injections are very effective for larger tears and tendons, such as the rotator cuff, cartilage tears, such as the labrum in the shoulder and the hip, cartilage damage in the knee, larger tears in the Achilles tendon or patellar tendon, large muscle tears, Anything where there's substantial damage, even osteoarthritis in the knees and hips, can be effectively treated with these structural tissue products. They're very robust in their ability to reduce inflammation and assist in the healing process. And so this is a big step up from PRP, but it gives us another tool in our tool belt to manage more significant conditions and treat those effectively with 1 to 3 injections and allow people to get back to the playing field of life really quickly in essentially 3 to 6 months. There are several people that we've treated here recently, even 2 people that I can remember with bone on bone in the knee and hips. And after 1 injection, both of them said to me, "What did you inject into my knees and my hips? Because I haven't felt this good in a decade." And it's because of the effective ability to not only reduce inflammation, but the ability of those injections to begin supporting and regenerating the cartilage that's present that allows people to move on in life without pain. If you're ready to experience the benefits of regenerative injection therapy and regenerative musculoskeletal medicine, please contact MaxWell Clinic today and schedule a consultation.